You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is w equals -4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Combine like terms. Group all w terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract w from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 3 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the w. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is w equals -4.